professional industrial line from RIDGID features a variety of wet-dry vacs engineered specifically for the pro user. The RIDGID 4000 RV allows you to easily carry a small 4-gallon vac to the job without sacrificing power. This is a perfect vac for light cleanup on the job site where transportability is key. The 5-peak horsepower motor is the same powerhouse used in vacuums that are 3 times its size. The 8-foot Premium Pro locking hose will not pull loose during use and won't crimp or collapse like competitor vac hoses. The multi-purpose nozzle conveniently stores on board. The perfectly positioned switch lets you go right after the mess. You'll also appreciate the easy-to-open latches for quick access to the drum. The patented quick lock filter simply snaps on and off for easy cleaning, and it's great for everyday dirt and fine dust like drywall. With one quick move, you can lock the hose into the blower port for added versatility. When the job is done, the extra-long 20-foot power cord wraps neatly around the easy-to-carry handle. It comes with RIDGID's industry-leading warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Power, performance, durability. RIDGID.